You did? You know we should actually like iCarly.
Really?
Yeah, I thought that was pretty funny. You're ruining the show,
You don't like
man.
that?
You're hating on iCarly while you're talking about Hannah Montana.
Nah, actually, I watched
Okay.
iCarly too. That was awful.
Every single one of them.
I'm on Jinx, I'm on Jinx.
Yeah, center Jinx, on Jinx, on Jinx, on Jinx, on Jinx. Follow
Jinx,
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 follow
Jinx,
Jinx, follow Jinx.
I got
Nice, get back on
Jinx.
shifter, on shifter, on shifter. No, stay on shifter, stay on shifter, stay on shifter.
I'm on shifter.
On Crumb's next, Crumb's next. Come on, we're here now.
My bad.
Wild Turtle shredding some damage from the outside. Valkyrie's into the fight once again to keep the follow going. Helios is going to be the next hit. A boss bomb and a bubble and a triple kill for Wild Turtle.
Oh my god, I want to retire.
Void Boy is being chased out by Afromu. He's ready to go down for the team in this situation. He gets another shield.
Oh!
They are coordinating everything.
Look for Link.
Link. Okay, keep on going, keep on going. I'm on the back. I got all the Void. Look to end, look to end, look to end. That's it, that's game.
Yes. Oh my god, my favorite time. God damn it.
Not ready to turn on the fight just yet. No Name does go in. Flashes for the fight focus. High now takes down Vasily. This is going to be huge. The triple kill. Wait a minute. The quadra kill coming up for High.